What is up, Geeksters? Back at it again, here to talk about 5 easy ways to make money on Google. Let's go! Google Adsense. Adsense is Google's cost per click advertising source. Just by adding Google AdSense codes to your blog or website starts earning you cash with as simple as a click. Best part about it? Google AdSense is free to anyone with a website to use. You can easily sign up and start monetizing your web page today. Google Adwords. Like Google AdSense, Google Adwords is made for advertisers. Although using Google AdWords won't earn you money directly, it is a great tool to use for expanding your target audience and increasing your website views. Google Opinion Rewards. Do you like sharing your opinions with others? Well, if so, you can get free Google Play credits through Google Opinion Rewards by simply giving your Google opinion. The app is available for download on Google Play Store. Best of all, you can take surveys whenever you have downtime. Make and market apps on Google Play. Got a great idea for an app? Then the Google Play Store offers the perfect way to make money from it. Be it by selling the app you created through a merchant account with a Google Wallet, or doubling down and including Google Ads in your app, your earning potential can be endless. Search engine evaluation. Did you know that just by reviewing search engine results you can earn extra cash? Well, you can. As a search engine evaluator, you will assess and share recommendations on web pages, website, and ad improvements to ensure the search engine is accurately finding relevant results. All you need is a personal computer with internet connection to start earning up to $12 an hour. Not bad for a side hustle, huh? One extra bonus. Consider writing and selling books on Google Play. Are you skilled with expressing your ideas or always dreamed of writing your own novel? Then the Google Play Store can help you turn that dream into a profit without the headache of going through the difficult publishing process. Just by signing up with the Google Books Partner Program, you can upload and publish your book easily and fast. It's just that easy. And that wraps it up for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below on more videos you'd like to see with regards to ways to make money. Happy gigging!